Welcome students. Now we'll discuss about module 5 for the second year BSc Agriculture Honours for subject Agricultural Engineering for third semester. The course code is COMP 231 and the title of the course is Agri Informatics. The name of the module is Input Devices. I am Mr. Vinod Adkari, Assistant Professor, Don Bosco College of Agriculture, Sulkurna, Goa. The outline of this module is input devices, their types and the functions. At the end of this module, students will able to learn about different input devices, their types and their use. So input devices is an electromechanical devices which accept the data from the outside world that translate them into the computer can interpret. So there are different devices like keyboard, point and draw devices like mouse, trackball, joystick, etc. Data scanning devices like image scanner, OCR device, or OMR, barcode reader, etc. are the input devices. Next, vision-based recognition system, electronic card readers are also the types of input devices. So now we'll discuss in detail about all these input devices. First is the keyboard device. So one of the main input device, it is used for computer to give the inputs. Keyboards, it looks similar to the electronic typewriter with some additional keys. There are two types, or we can say two main styles of these keyboards. First is the standard keyboard with 83 to 84 keys, and next is the advanced or enhanced keyboard, that is 101 keys are there. It is called as QWERTY keyboard, mostly used nowadays in computers and laptops. QWERTY is a keyboard designed for Latin script alphabets. The name comes from the order of the first 6 keys on the top left letter row of the keyboard. QWERTY. So keyboard consists of different keys like alphabetical keys, numeric keys, shift keys, toggle keys, function keys, etc. So alphabetical keys means it is the alphabets from A to Z. Numeric keys means 0, 1, 2 up to 9. These keys are there. Next is the shift key. There are two shift keys on keyboard. First is at left hand and one is at right hand side. Next, toggle keys. It is used to turn off or turn on the functions like caps lock or num lock are the toggle keys. Next, control key is a combination key that perform an action when held down in combination with another key. Like we can control A, we can select the text. Control P, we can print that document like this. Alt keys, same like it is a combination key. Next, special keys or media keys are there. It perform special functions like keyboard control, like volume control of the speaker, computer brightness adjustment, etc. So these are the different keys for different, like this is a alphanumeric key, this is toggle keys, these are the num lock, caps locks, etc. Control keys, navigation keys or arrow keys we can say. Next input devices is the mouse. It is a pointer device. The mouse allows an individual to control a pointer in a graphical user interface and without typing. Just like in DOS we have to type the command, but the mouse can allow us you to control your computer without any typing. We have to just right and left click of the mouse. Next is the trackball. It is a pointing device, just like mouse. Its roller ball is on the top instead of the base for the mouse. To move the graphics cursor on the screen, we have to roll the ball with the hand, so it will move the cursor on the screen. Next is the joystick device. It is again a input device. It is a pointing device which works same as a trackball. Mostly for playing the games, this type of device is used. Next input device is pen, electronic pen. There are different types of pen like light pen or writing pen with pad. It comes with special writing pad as it is shown in this figure. Next is the touch screen. We have to just put the input through our fingers by touching to the screen. So this technology uses optical sensors which take the touch of the finger on the screen and it will take the input from that signal. Next is the data scanning devices. They eliminate the need for manual entry of data by human beings, thus improving accuracy of that data. Just like image scanner, it converts whatever our hard paper document into electronic format. So examples are the flatbed scanner and handheld scanner. Next input devices is the OCR devices. It is also we can call it a optical character recognition device. So here we can scan the document and store in the image format. So OCR technology allows us to copy the words from that scanned document. So we can convert our books into the ebook format by using this OCR system. Next is the optical mark reader. It is called as OMR. So most of the competitive exams are using such kind of technology to take their exam. So OMR scanner, which can recognize a pre-specified type of mark, which is made by the pencil or pen. So as it is shown in this photographs, whenever someone marks this circle, then it will be read by this OMR scanner and the score will be calculated accordingly. Next is the barcode reader. It is again a input device, data coded in the form of small lines as it is shown in these bars are known as barcodes. So barcode reader is a device for reading the decoding barcoded data. So it is either handheld or stationary scanner. So it scans a barcode image and converts into a alphanumeric value for input to the computer. So it uses laser beam technology. So this is the laser beam technology here it is used. Next is the MICR recognition system, that is magnetic ink character recognition system. Mostly it is used in banking industry to read the checks. This check clearing houses of the different banks uses this scanner. So MICR is similar to the OCR system. So banking industry uses it for faster recognition. This 9-digit MICR code as it is shown on this check, it can be read only through this magnetic ink character recognition system. Next is the digitizer. So this device is used for converting pictures, maps and drawings into digital form for input to the computer as it is shown in this diagram. So digitizer is also a type of input device. Next input device is the electronic card reader. It is mostly used in the ATMs, that is automated teller machines for different banks. So bank issues us the plastic card. It is called as ATM card. So we can just swipe this card on this electronic card reader. So it will connect you to the server of the bank and you can access whatever your account. You can withdraw or you can just take the money from that machine. So it is an unattended machine which is connected to the bank server. Next is the speech recognition devices. So these devices allows us to input the data to computer by speaking instead of typing or scanning. We have to just speak, it will take our inputs. So it makes computer much easier to use. Next is the vision input system. We can connect the webcam to give the input to the computer. A camera connected to computer that allows anyone connected to the internet to view the pictures or motion of the user. Next input devices is the microphone. We can abbreviate it as a mic. So microphone is a hardware peripheral that allows the computer users to input the audio into the computer system. Instead of typing or scanning, we have to just speak. So mic will take the input. So these are the references for this module. Thank you.